Hello there, I hope you're doing good and welcome to this new Wow Money video. Now imagine, what if you could make money by just listening to music? It seems impossible, right? How could you make money just enjoying your music? And it doesn't matter where you are, India, Philippines, United States, Europe, Nigeria, every single country in the world is included. So literally everyone worldwide can make money listening to music. And you can see here some payment proof of people who made money using this method. That is crazy, right? Listening to music, enjoying yourself and getting paid. That's so cool. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it, how you can make $4 for each song you listen to. Which means if you make a playlist of 25 songs and you keep it rolling, you get $100. And if you are one of these music junkies and you let the music all the day and you listen to 50 entire songs, you get $200 for 1 day of listening to music. And the crazy thing is that you can make this money over and over again. You can keep the music running and keep making money as much as you want. And all you need is a phone and internet connection, and that is all. It's 100% free and you don't need an upfront investment, no skills or anything like that. Just a phone and internet to listen to music and earn a ton of money from it. And make sure to keep watching till the end because I will be showing you a secret tip to make 5 times more money using this method, so watch till the end. Now before we start, consider subscribing to our channel Wow Money. We post pure valuable content consistently every week to help you make money online and become 100% financially free from your home. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to learn how you can make up to $500 every single day, you might want to check our website wowmoney.net, where you can find more details and information about how you can make money online and how you can create passive income streams on the internet. Okay, so let's get started with this video. First of all, I want you to go to YouTube and look for Top Music 2020. And you can see that there's a lot of videos compiling all top musics of this year. All the different hits that came up during 2020 in one video exceeding sometimes 1 hour of video. So let's go and click on 3 of these videos. Okay, so this video, this one, and this one as well. And here are the 3 music playlists I will listen to. And step 2 is going to this website right here. It's called ouo.io. And this is the website where you will be making money by listening to music in. So basically you will shorten links, and each person that clicks on the shortened link, you will get paid for it. Now let's just go back to one of these playlists, and we're gonna copy the link of the video and then go back once again to ouo.io and paste the link in the bar right here. And now I'm just gonna click on this button right here. And as you can see, the website has shortened the link. It's now a shorter link than it was, right? And now let's just click on copy right here, and that's all we have to do for now. And before we go any further, I want you to see how much money you can actually make from this website. If you are in Australia, you're gonna get $5 for each click, $4.1, Norway $4, etc. But let's go all the way down here. And as you can see, the minimum rate is $1.5. So it doesn't matter where you are, the minimum payout you will get for each click on the link is $1.5. So if you have just 30 clicks per day, you will get $45 a day as a minimum. And that's $1,350 a month. Just 30 clicks per day will get you $1,350. It's crazy, isn't it? So instead of listening to these musics on YouTube, you can just shorten their link and paste it on the search bar right here. And that will be counted as 1 click. And if you have social media, you can also share the link on your social media to get more clicks per day. Now let's see how you can sign up to this website. So first of all, you just gotta click on this sign up button right here. And that will take you to this page where you can register for a free account. You just fill in the registration form. As you can see, it's very simple, and then you click on this sign up button right here. And then once you've done it, you can enter your dashboard that looks like this. And here you're gonna find how much money you actually earned from different clicks on music links. Now let's shorten a new link. We click here and then go back to one of the playlists, we copy the link and then we paste it in the bar again, exactly the same way I showed you earlier. And now remember, each time someone clicks on this link, you're gonna get money according to which country you're in. So the minimum is $1.5 and the max is $5 per click, which is cool, right? Now let's do the same thing for the other playlists. Copy the URL, paste it in this bar and shorten it. And once again, copy, paste and shorten. Now once you've chosen your playlist and shortened the links, I want you to go to the section right here that's called links and click on it. And here you can see the different links you have shortened. So for this example, we have 3 videos only, but you obviously can make as many links as you want. Now I want you to go to this other website called Linktree. It's basically a free website that we can use to create a page just like this. And the reason we're going to use this website, Linktree, is because it will help us get 5 to 6 times more money with this method. This website will help us multiply our earnings in an easy and fast way. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Before we go any further, if you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. So now, as I said, the more links you create, the more money you will make. And the more people click on your links, obviously, the more money you will earn also. Now with Linktree, you can create up to 6 links to 6 different playlists. And that will help you attract way more people to click on your links, and that means get paid 5 to 6 times more. So let's create a free Linktree account. Basically what you have to do is click on get started for free right here. And again, the sign up form is simple and easy to fill in. You just put your email, username, password, and that is all. Now here in the dashboard, I want you to click on the links button right here. And then on this purple add new link to create a new link on your page. And all you have to do is basically go back to your ouo.io dashboard and copy the links you created. So let's do that. I will just copy the first link I created, which is the link to the first music video. And then I will just paste it right here. As you can see, here you can give it a title. You can, for example, write Top Playlist 2020, but what I would suggest is that you go back to the video and just copy the title of the YouTube video and paste it in this title section. That's better, and that will attract way more people to click on your links. Well done! Now you have created your link tree. You have 3 links in your tree. And as I previously mentioned, you can get up to 6 links in your tree. Now you can see here the preview of your tree. And basically what we're going to do is click on copy here, and this is the link we're going to be using. Instead of sharing 3 or 6 different shortened links to make money from them, we're just going to share this one link that has up to 6 links that will make us money. And all you have to do is literally share it with your friends and family, share it on social media, etc. And every time someone clicks on one of these links, you are receiving at least $1.5, and it can go up to $5 per click, which is absolutely insane. And here's a little tip I want to share with you. To receive even more clicks on your links, just go to reddit.com and simply sign up. Once you've created an account, go ahead and search for the keyword music and then click on r/music, which is a subreddit that's all about music. And as you can see here, a lot of people share their playlists, their music, etc. These are people who are interested in music and they share their passion and like to talk about it. So what I want you to do is basically just share your link in this subreddit. And that's how you're going to get way more clicks on your links. And also, try to comment on different posts the link to your link tree. I'm not asking you to spam. Just comment to people who are asking for a recommendation. And just post your link as your recommended playlist. And you will get way more clicks by doing that. And for each click on your links, you will receive money. And you can earn from $200 up to $400 every single day from this method. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Wow Money. We post valuable videos to help you make money online and build online income streams from home. And don't forget to check our website, wowmoney.net, to learn more about how you can make money online and the online money making secrets and tips. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.